Introducing the Adelina Hostinger website builder template. Adelina is a beautiful, high-contrast layout, bringing typography into the imagery of the design. So even though the text is selectable, it brings off a poster feel for the hero unit, giving it a sleek, modern look and feel. As we scroll down through the homepage, we can see a strong call to action for social media links. Key headlines bringing in our action color as key aspects of the design. And then we can see an asymmetric grid gallery in an offset masonry style.
As we move to the bottom of the homepage, we have punchy colors that jump out and a high contrast banding effect throughout the layout. This is designed to be a single-page layout, delivering a striking, memorable first impression.
The design moves effortlessly to mobile devices and is fully responsive, with a series of animations as each feature feeds into the design. If you're looking for a punchy, impactful web design perfect for a creative portfolio website, then Adelina could easily be your starting point.